Hello students, today we are going to understand the concept and use of Microsoft Office, in which we are going to understand how can you use Microsoft Word. Okay, so suppose you have to make a document or you have to create a report or you have to make your own resume, you can use Microsoft Word. Okay, so let me share a screen with you that how we are going to work with Microsoft Word. So when you open Microsoft Word, this is the actual screen which you will see. Okay. So whatever document you want to see or you want to make, you can take that particular document. You can take that particular template. Okay. So first I'm going to use blank document. So this is how the actual screen of Microsoft Word. Okay. So for example, I am going to write welcome to Silver Oak University. Okay. So now this is the very small font and I want to make it clearly visible. Okay. So there are some tools which we can use from these particular taskbar. Okay. First of all, select this thing. Okay. Then if I want to shift this whole line into the middle, so I can take from this alignment. These are four kinds of alignment. The selected one is left alignment. So the whole data is on the left side. Now I am selecting middle alignment. That means the whole text will be at the middle. Then it will be in the right alignment and this is called justify. So both the side that will be justified. So we are using middle alignment. Okay. Then I want to make it bigger. Okay. So I can take any kind of font from this and the size. If I want to make it bold or italic or underline, anything I can do with that. Okay. If I want to change the color of that, I can also do that. Okay. If I want to make it big, I can do it from this. If I want to decrease the size, I can do it with this. Okay. So, and there are some kind of headings over here. Which kind of heading you want? So, for example, I'm going to take this. So, the whole text will be like this. If I'm going to select this or this or this, anything. Okay. So, with Control Z, you can move back to the original one. The Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Okay. Then I can insert anything in this particular document. Okay. So if I want to select any picture, so I can take it from this device or online picture, you can do anything. You can create shapes. If you want to make a flow chart or if you want to make any design in Microsoft Word, you can take these kind of shapes through that. If you want to create any kind of smart art, you can explore this particular option. You have to explore these things. Okay, if you want to make any kind of chart, then you can also do that. Okay, column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart, all the things you can do with Microsoft Word. Okay, then design. For example, I want to write welcome to Silver Oak University. Then I'm going to change the alignment of this. Okay, and what I'm going to write is hello students, welcome here. I will teach you about Microsoft Word. Okay, so I want to change this because the format is actually the welcome of Silver Oak University's format. So we are going to change it. Times New Roman, but I want to decrease the size, so I can do it from this only, from this too, and from here also. Okay, so the size is 16. I don't want to underline it. I don't want to italic it, and the text will be at simple black, and the alignment will be justified. Okay, for example, this is my report. Okay, So I can do anything with this. Select this and go into the design. Title, title, this thing. There are so many templates related to your paragraph, and you can do it. Okay, you can set the colors for that. You can check the fonts for that. You can add watermark. Okay, so what do you mean by watermark? If there is some confidential document you have, okay, you want to create a document which is confidential. So in watermark, that means whatever you are writing on that page, the background will be like this, confidential. Can you see this? Confidential. So what number of pages you have, how many number of pages you have, every page will have this confidential watermark with that. Okay. So this is the basic thing of Microsoft Word. You can explore so many things in Microsoft Word. Okay. So please try everything at home. So you can do that. Okay. Thank you.